Ladies and gentlemen, we are here on Valentine's Day at Little Zimbabwe Farm, where, as you can see, the snowstorm of 2019 still continues. This story has made its way across the globe. The phone calls, the interviews, we can't keep up, but we're doing our Wow, I wasn't expecting to hear from former President of Zimbabwe, Robert Gabriel Mugabe, with such an inspiring message. Let's take a listen.
Greetings from Zimbabwe, Harare. Young man, you have grabbed my attention. I was feeling down and out, and after watching your videos, I was really over the moon with happiness. I was so happy that I managed to laugh after a long time. I really commend you for going to North Pole. You are the only one who managed to challenge Jack the Frost. After all my years of being a president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, you are the only Zimbabwean who has managed to achieve this. It shows you that your bravery, you're being protected by your ancestors. Neadakaguvi chinegudu jabinuka. Vese vadewe mukwati chayeka ari kufara kuti hodai kushinga kwakaita mwana wangu. I've been watching out and listening to all the messages that you've been bringing over to us. They are very entertaining, at the same time very educating. Dinotenda kwazvo asika chandichaitaidi pandichaombera ndichakubira kakuti nehadhana kaguvi vakuigire zuva uve nezururu. What you have done is out of this world, absolutely phenomenal, and I really commend you for your braveness. You are braver than a lot of men that we have done.
Wow, well, that was some pretty powerful words coming from the former president of Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe. Happy Valentine's Day to you all, and every other day as well, from all of us here at Little Zimbabwe Farm. I'm Amy Matamba, and I'll be back soon.